Is it time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we will explore Intel in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 12th of March, 2025, and now we aim to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to keep up with our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any vital updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be seen as financial advice. Since the 11th of March, 2025, our system has rated Intel as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.08. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time period. The stock has undergone natural fluctuations, achieving a gain of 4.55%. This equates to an average return of 2.28% per day since it was categorized as hold or accumulate. The stock is positioned in the lower section of a very broad and robust rising trend in the short term, which typically represents a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $19.83 be breached, it would initially indicate a deceleration in the rate of increase, but it might also serve as an early warning of a trend reversal. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 12.18% over the next 3 months, with a possible return fluctuating between 7.59% and 53.17%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 41.96%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 74.7% to negative 26.54% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $5.36 and $15.19. Our latest daily update for Intel features the headline, "A positive day on Wednesday for Intel stock," after gaining nearly 5%. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 12th of March, 2025, Intel's stock price rose by approximately 4.55%, moving from $19.78 to $20.68. During this trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of up to 4.75%, reaching a low of $20.21 and a high of $21.17. The price has decreased in 8 of the last 10 days, resulting in a decline of about 12.07% during this period. However, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 39 million more shares changed hands than the previous day. Altogether, 120 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $2.48 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $45.41, while the lowest was $18.51. Currently, the price is 54.46% or $24.73 below the 52-week high and 70.15% or $48.61 below the all-time high recorded on January 24, 2020, when the price reached $69.29. Intel has made headlines today by appointing Lip-Bu Tan as its new CEO, effective on the 18th of March. This decision follows the company's ousting of Pat Gelsinger over 2 months ago. Investors have reacted positively, with Intel's stock increasing by 11% in after-hours trading. Lip-Bu Tan, a seasoned technology investor and former CEO of Cadence Design Systems, is stepping into a challenging role as Intel aims to regain lost market share in the highly competitive semiconductor industry. The significance of Tan's appointment cannot be overstated. Having a permanent CEO brings much-needed stability to Intel, possibly fostering investor confidence in the company's turnaround initiatives. In the short term, the stock rally indicates strong investor sentiment, which could attract more buying pressure. However, in the long term, the real test will be Tan's ability to revitalize Intel's design and manufacturing capabilities. Analysts will be closely monitoring Tan's strategies and decisions as he navigates the complexities of the semiconductor market. If he succeeds in implementing effective changes, we could see a sustained positive impact on Intel's stock. Conversely, failure to deliver results may lead to volatility and renewed skepticism among investors. Overall, this leadership transition signals a pivotal moment for Intel as it aims to reclaim its position as a leader in the tech space. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 18th of February, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned a neutral rating to Intel Corporation with a recommendation to hold. On Friday, the 31st of January, 2025, Cowen and Company also rated Intel Corporation with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 2nd of December, 2024, Bernstein provided a market perform rating for Intel Corporation, again recommending a hold. On Thursday, the 17th of October, 2024, Goldman Sachs assigned a sell rating to Intel Corporation with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 3rd of October, 2024, Wedbush rated Intel Corporation as equal weight, also recommending a hold. Analysts have assigned Intel stock a general sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is viewed as buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Intel. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 11th of March, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 4.55%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been established. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, and these may influence the near short-term developments. The Intel stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Nevertheless, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this gives a more negative forecast for the stock. Should there be further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $21.70. Conversely, if the stock falls, it will find some support from the short-term average at $20.56. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will introduce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the general trend. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 19 days ago. Short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average indicates a sell signal 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. In examining the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average indicates a sell signal 8 days ago. Long-term moving average indicates a sell signal 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 11 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you would like to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Intel finds support from accumulated volume at $20.01, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock can experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a wide prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, this stock is deemed to carry a high level of risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated 96 cents between its high and low, which equates to 4.75%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 4.84%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Intel, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal a lack of profitability and could raise concerns about the risk of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 24th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 0.0017. It is essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Intel. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $21.49. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Intel encounters its first support level at $20.01. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Intel from various analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by David Zinsner, who bought and sold a total of 494,551 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 69.6. In total, insiders purchased 2,508,151 shares and sold 456,868 shares during the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $19.68, reflecting a decrease of 4.83%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. The Low Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is 22, which somewhat mitigates that risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom identified 1 day ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? Intel presents several positive indicators, but we believe these are not sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Instead, it should be viewed as a hold or accumulate position while we await further developments. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 13th of March, we anticipate that Intel will open higher by a fraction of a cent and begin trading at $20.69. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us at Stock Invest.